use their voices.
Yeah.
Now you have to speak for them. Now they can call us like this. Chirp, chirp. Like that.
Yeah. Do you say here, birdie, birdie?
No, I can't say that. I'm saying chirp, chirp. Okay, is that good?
That sounds great.
When a bird hears us, when we call for a bird, like this. Chirp, chirp. Like that.
Yeah.
Do you want to say chirp, chirp with me?
Yes. Chirp, 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 chirp.
You have to do it like this. Chirp, 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 chirp. When you sing like that, they will come back. When birds come back, then they hear us when they sing.
Yeah.
When we call for them, then we do it again. Okay?
Sounds
like
good.
This.
Okay.
Chirp, chirp. I'm calling the ones who are hiding.